Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the studio, we're going to be taking a look at a unique new product for the 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustang. Our engineers have designed a unique bracket that allows our Pro Series demon eyes to be installed in the headlights of the 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustang without having to bake or separate the headlight lens. Now these brackets use existing mounting points within the headlight to perfectly align our demon eye in the Mustang's projector for maximum color intensity. When paired with our Bluetooth controller, you'll get thousands of custom color combinations as well as dozens of unique functions and features through our app for a cool, unique look on your Mustang. These brackets were designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri. For more information on this product and more, visit diodedynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.